Hello everyone and welcome to Kiddofinance Daily News Roundup. India Incorporated has a reason to smile as the rating upgrades have surpassed the downgrades in the half year 2 of financial year 24. Credit ratings are like good marks. Good marks give us good admission. Similarly, a higher credit rating ensures that banks look positively at loan requirements of such corporates. The second news we are sharing is that the India defense sector manufacturers have crossed the rupees 21,000 crore exports mark for the first time. India now exports defense manufactured equipments to a plethora of countries. It just shows the technological advancements that our country has done. Do you know that credit ratings can sometimes be influenced by such simple things like not paying your bills on time? So be responsible about your money so that your credit score is always protected. Financial year 24-25 began on a positive note for the BSE Sensex as well as the gold rates. Both these rates showed an uptick as compared to 28th of March on 1st of April 2024. As exchange markets were not working today, we do not have updated rates for 1st of April. Keep watching YouTube channel of Kiddofinance. Do subscribe so that you enjoy the benefits of having lots of insightful videos and resources giving finance basic education to children. Thank you. Jai Hind.